to camp, the last outpost. It's the second to last camp on the Guadalupe River before it goes out into the wilderness. Got a little helpful hint for your ground meat. These two patties came out of the same package. This one here, you can see, is a little bit tougher. This one stayed nice and moist and is half again thicker. Now the only difference is I added breadcrumbs to this. So you might want to keep that in mind when you're doing your breakfast sausage. I don't recommend that you season any meat, ground meat, before you freeze it, because you can pull it out later and you can put whatever seasonings you want on it, and the seasonings will be fresh. Now with these breakfast patties or sliders, I like this High Mountain taco and a chili flavor. So we're down here in South Texas, and we combined the two of them, so maybe that's a new flavor that's be on the market later on. Okay, that's my helpful hint for today. Go and enjoy your wildlife. It was meant for you to eat.